This is VI Techability YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how you can fix the problem of NVDA crashing automatically. This problem is specially seen in NVDA 2023 and above. First, go to NVDA menu using the NVDA plus N key.
NVDA menu. Preferences submenu P.
Expand this option using the right arrow.
Settings. S.
Go to settings.
NVDA settings. General.
Now press A until you hear advanced option.
A. Audio 4. A. Advanced 16 of 19.
Press tab.
Advanced property page warning. The following settings are for advanced users. Changing them may cause NVDA to function incorrectly. Please only change these if you know what you are doing or have been specifically instructed by NVDA developers. I understand that changing these settings may cause NVDA to function incorrectly. Checkbox not checked.
Check this option using the spacebar.
Space. Checked.
Now tab until you hear the option audio grouping.
Restore default NVDA Microsoft use UI Windows use UI annotation record rail group terminal use head diff out speak new speech root virtual buffer editable text group document format audio grouping. Use WASAPI for audio output requires restart combo box default enabled collapsed.
Set this option to disable using the down arrow
Disabled
and hit enter.
pane.
Now you need to restart your NVDA. For that, press NVDA plus Q.
Exit NVDA dialog. What
Use
restart?
down arrow and choose restart and hit enter.
Alright, the problem is fixed now. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.